So today we'll be doing a basic makeup tutorial. So first things first, I'm gonna like secure my hair. The first thing I'll do is I'll put my foundation. My foundation is from MAYBELLINE. Fit me in the code of 222. I have this thing. It's actually a silicone blender thingy, but I'm using it as a thing that I put on this. Dab it on my face. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'll take my beauty blender and I'll blend it. Okay, once I'm done with that, and then lens. Put your lenses first, okay? I know my face is not that fresh looking, but later on it will, because you haven't put your powder yet. Basically I don't bake my face because, as I said earlier, I'm no professional and I am not doing any really heavy makeup. I'm just doing something really basic that I always go out and then I just put on that kind of makeup. The left eye is always a problem. Finally, guys. So this is my Dakota sikit, my JACLIN Heel palette, MORPHE palette. I bought this online. The colors are amazing. So yeah, let's color. What color should we take today? Red. You know what? I'll do the base first. You guys can see that, or you want me to do it for you guys? I hope you guys can see this.
Main thing. See, I don't have a professional, so I'll use a softened tape because I'm not a professional makeup artist. But for eyeliner, sometimes I don't use this, and sometimes I get my perfect eyeliner. Sometimes I don't. I have to like keep rubbing it 100 times, then I'll get it. Then sometimes I feel like I'll just use this. So yeah. So for me, I don't have the perfect brushes, so I just use the brush that I have. Okay, I hope you guys can see this really clear. Can you even see me clearly? Or is it like, should I just push it up a bit? Okay. You guys see clearly? Can I? Okay. Because I cannot. Can I see clearly? Next, I'll go for brown for the behind color. Well, this seems good. Then, I'm gonna go for a bit of the light color. Put it in the middle a bit, just to make it a bit more perfect. So you put the glitter there. Then, I'll go for this. I'll show you guys what eyeshadow I'm using. Okay, give me a minute and I'll show you guys. Ooh, I see you popping! I see you, girl. Popping. I'll go back to that dark color and I'll just split in there. Okay. Okay, so the first color that I use as a base was this.
Oh my god. How do I show this? Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay. So the first color that I used was this one, this based brownish color. Okay, this base brownish color. Then for the outer part I used this color. Yeah, that. Okay, then for the shining I used this line. Okay, I used this as glitter. I use this line lah. Okay, base, dark, and then glitter. And then before putting the glitter I use this shade right here, so that it doesn't look like it gives like a lighter tone. Then I'll put a shining so that it sticks there. Okay. And then I'll take a different brush, which is mana you pergi sini. Okay, I'll take this very tiny incy brush, and then I'll take the, oh my god, I need to show this again. Okay, I'll take the, what should I take? Okay, I'll take this color. Okay, this one, and just put it there. I don't put too much. I don't want to be dramatic, so just put a little bit, and I'm done. Good to go. Okay, next, eyebrow. So I'm using the INNISFREE Auto Eyebrow Pencil. In the shade of, what shade are you? In the, actually it's actually a very dark brown lah. Okay, I don't know where is the shade thing written, but yeah, it's dark brown, so it has two compartment lah pun nak call. Hey, two part. Suddenly I don't know how to speak already. So I'll just like this, and then
if you go out of line, so you can always just rub it off and it will go off. Okay. Everyone's done. It's so bling. I don't like, it's so bling. Okay.
Eyeliner. So I am using the SILKYGIRL liquid eyeliner, waterproof. Okay.
Don't judge me, okay? I have my own kind of way, because people will put it from out to in, I'm like in to out. Okay.
Hopefully lah, hopefully. And then apa ini? Ini bukan lah, saya tak mau ni. Saya mau ini. This is like the under eye eyeliner. I'm using the MAYBELLINE as well, master liner.
Malaka keluar lah. Apa? Ini kau break sebut dia buat tu dia tengok. Ay, bawah lagi kau. Oh, boy. Okay, next. What do you want? Hair dry.
So once you're done with your eyeliner and stuff, okay, next is highlight. But before that, excuse me, before that, I use this V Face Dual Stick MAYBELLINE. Okay, I use this, but if dia dah pecah sebenarnya, so tak apa, guna je lah. We don't wanna like waste, right? Because this is my second one buying it, and it's broken again. So I use this to like contour here, contour ke shining ke, I don't know lah, whatever you guys want to say. Highlight, I use this for here, 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 and here. Okay, what I do is that then I'll take this brush and then Maybelline Hyper Curl Express Waterproof Mascara. This is in the shade of brown. So then just like that, just like that. So actually guys, fun fact, my eyelashes are actually not that long. What I did was Vaseline. I applied Vaseline and yeah, it kind of grew. So actually I want to put a bit shining, you know. I have this pencil, I don't know from where my mom bought, but it says here Air Woman 2-in-1 shining. Highlight. This is a Babe in Paradise palette. I don't know who is this, but yeah, his palette. Okay, I don't know who is it. And you know what? It came in like this, like broken. And when I told her, she said that it wasn't her fault. The lady that I bought from, she said it wasn't her fault, but it was the Post Laju's fault. Then she told me to put alcohol, and until now lah, I'm buying alcohol. It's okay. So I got my fan brush and I'm using in the shade of Get Light. Can you guys see this one? One.
What do you say when you put highlight? Kau kenapa tak keluar sini sih? Jangan keluar juga, I can see, that's why not. Okay? I have to put in my nose.
Once you're done with that, what is left? Lipstick! So what lipstick should I put? I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty. Oh, Huda Beauty in the code Cheerleader. Heartbreaker. I don't know which one, but I think it's Cheerleader. So
I want the sound, I have to make that sound. The thing about liquid eyeliner, but liquid lipsticks, you cannot like do like But the thing that I like about this thing is that even when you eat food or drink, they'll still be there.
I'm done.